Today I have a short video for you. It's for a Toyota Tacoma, and it's for an emblem cover in the Gunsmoke version. It's made by Lamin-X, and they have many different colors: clear, tint, Gunsmoke, smoked, charcoal, yellow, amber, blue, red, pink, and green. So you can choose from any of those, but we'll put this emblem cover on the front. I've already made this video for a Toyota RAV4, so I can put a link for that video down in my description if you're interested in seeing the full install. But since I've already done that, you'll have the link, and this will just be like a comparison video so you can see what it looks like in case you're interested in this product. And if you are interested in this product, I'll have a link in my description and probably also in the comments for a discount code. I'll go ahead and get this installed, and we'll show you what it looks like before and after.